Welcome to the introduction to the 7-day gut reset Ayurveda. Before discussing very specific foods, diets, or the Ayurvedic principles, it is very important to begin with a deeper question. What has been your relationship with food? Or what has this relationship become in the coming times? For many women today, food is no longer a simple nourishment. It has become a source of confusion, restriction, guilt, or control. One week, a food is considered healthy, and the next week, it is avoided. Diets promise quick results, but they often ignore how digestion actually works. And this course, Gut Reset Ayurveda, takes a very different approach. It does not begin with strict diet rules or elimination plans. Instead, it starts with understanding how the body digests, what the timing suits the most, when do you absorb and respond to food, and how our emotional state, our routines and habits, they dictate us and they influence this process. The goal of this course is not perfection. The goal is restoring a balance, a physical balance, mental and behavioral. Why gut health matters more than most people realize is because in Ayurveda, digestion is not treated as a minor bodily function. It is considered the foundation of overall health. Ayurvedic texts, if you will see repeatedly, they emphasize that many illnesses begin when digestion becomes disturbed. When food is properly digested, it nourishes your tissues and all cells, supports in your energy and stabilizes the mind. And when digestion weakens, even nutritious food may create discomfort. Common symptoms such as bloating, acidity, irregular bowel movements, heaviness after meals, fatigue after eating often reflect imbalance, the imbalanced digestion, rather than simply bad food choices. Modern research also increasingly supports this idea. The digestive system is closely connected to metabolic health, your immune regulation, and even mood through what scientists describe as the gut-brain axis. While Ayurveda describes these relationships differently, both perspectives recognize that digestion plays a central role in health. Food is not just calories. Ayurveda approaches food differently from most modern diets and the systems. Instead of focusing only on calories or nutrients, it considers several qualities of food like taste, the sweet, sour, salty, pungent, bitter, astringent, all taste. Secondly, energy or potency, the heating and or cooling effect of the body with these food. And post-digestive impact, how this food behaves after digestion. Specific actions like unique therapeutic effects this food has on you and me. This perspective views food not simply as fuel but as a dynamic influence on the body's internal balance. In classical Ayurvedic literature, food is described as one of the 3 pillars of life, along with sleep and balanced lifestyle. These practices, when these pillars are stable, the body maintains resilience and vitality. When they are disturbed, disrupted, health gradually declines. Understanding the concept of digestive strength, a central concept in Ayurveda is Agni, often related as the digestive fire. This concept does not refer only to stomach, acid or enzymes, instead entirely the digestive process. And through all these processes, the body transforms the food into energy and nourishment. According to the traditional Ayurvedic understanding, there are several stages to the balanced food. The food is processed efficiently and comfortably. These processes are important for you to know. The irregular digestion, the appetite fluctuates in bloating and gas appears. The overactive digestive system, where strong hunger but burning or acidity feel is there. Weak digestive, that is heaviness, sluggish metabolism, incomplete digestion. Many digestive problems arise not only simply from what we eat, but from eating in the way that it is not supporting a digestive balance. And this course will help you to recognize and adjust those food choices and habits so that your digestion becomes more stable and predictable. And why gut reset does not mean detox or extreme dieting. The phrase gut reset is wellness culture in today's time. Sometimes people associate this with detox, restrictive diets. Ayurveda is more measured approach. The goal is not on rapid changing of the body. It is actually restoring the metabolic balance, the rhythm of digestion. Eating at consistent time, right time. Choosing the food that are easier to digest. Improving your food combinations, strengthening your digestion through gentle spices and cooking methods, reducing habits that weaken your digestion. These shifts actually produce meaningful improvements without extreme restriction. And there is an emotional side of digestion, an important but often overlooked factor in gut health is emotional state. Ayurvedic texts recognize that emotion influence digestion like anger, anxiety, sadness, stress. They lead you to alter your appetite, food cravings, and digestive function. And many people notice this intuitively that stress makes the irregular eating pattern. Anger or frustration triggers acidity. Emotional exhaustion may increase cravings for heavy or comforting foods. And of course, therefore, courses are not only what to eat but how emotional pattern influence your eating behavior. And by becoming aware of these patterns, food choices, you become less reactive and more intentional. So what you will learn in this course, over the chapters, we will explore practical Ayurvedic principles that will restore your relationship with food. You will learn to understand how digestive strength will adjust your food accordingly. You will learn how to understand your digestive strength and adjust food accordingly and build a balanced Ayurvedic plate. Choose appropriate food combinations and avoid common digestive conflicting the choices. You will learn to align meals with natural daily rhythms. You will use simple spices and cooking methods that will support your digestion. You will recognize the emotional pattern that influence your eating behavior. And you will very individually adapt to food choices based on seasons and lifestyle. The intention is not to overwhelm you with theory, but to give you very clear practical guidance that fits real life. An important note on health and medical care comes to you in this course, providing you educational information about the Ayurvedic nutrition and lifestyle principles. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure medical conditions. If you are experiencing significant digestive issues or chronic health problems, it is always good to go to a qualified healthcare professional. We are just supporting you in some lifestyle practices for your well-being so that you get results, a gentle reset, not a perfect diet. One of the most valuable shifts you may experience during this course is a realization that health rarely comes from rigid rules. Instead, it comes from consistency, awareness, and balance. When food is approached with understanding rather than anxiety, and you will see the digestion actually is good. The energy becomes steadier. The eating becomes less stressful. In that sense, a true gut reset is not just about your stomach. It is about relearning how to nourish your body with respect, rhythm, and awareness. So, hope you enjoy the course.